In this video, I'm going to show you the steps needed to uninstall the software package GIMP. Before you uninstall GIMP, I strongly recommend that you take a backup of all the image, graphic and photo files you have been working on in GIMP. I personally would save my files to a pen drive and also to an appropriate cloud service. Here you can see I've got GIMP open. Now there will often be a reason for you to want to uninstall software, and no different with GIMP. There may be a good reason as to why you would want to uninstall it. Maybe you wish to create some space to use some more software and you will reinstall GIMP at a later date. But nevertheless, whatever your reasoning is, it's quite useful to be able to know how to uninstall it, and it's a straightforward process. The first thing you must do, however, is to shut down GIMP. Don't have it open as I have here. So I'm going to shut down GIMP by moving to the top right corner and clicking on the X, and you can see GIMP has shut down. The next thing to do is to come to the bottom left corner here, click on the start button and observe what pops up. And in my case, right at the very top here, you can see it says GIMP 2.10.22. Now that's where I can launch GIMP from. Yours might be in a different place. What you do now is right click on the mouse and a context menu will appear. And part of the context menu is this here, where it says uninstall. Click on that with the left mouse button. This will then appear, which is the control panel, and if you look here, it has listed all of the applications that are on my computer, and yours will show something different. It's then a question of locating GIMP, which you can see here. I then click on it to highlight it. Moving up here, you can see it says uninstall. So I'll click on that and it'll respond as you can see here. Are you sure you wish to completely remove GIMP and all of its components? And the answer is yes. So I'll click on that and you can see that it starts to uninstall and it shows you a green progress bar. So it's now just a question of waiting for this green bar to move all the way along. I should point out that I'm demonstrating this using Windows 10. You may have to get at the control panel in different ways on other versions of the Microsoft operating system, but here this is for Windows 10 and you can see it functions correctly. And it's nearly at the end now, the progress bar. And when it gets to the end, it'll inform you that GIMP has uninstalled, as you can see here. It says GIMP was successfully removed from your computer. So I'll click OK. And if you look at this list now, you can scroll down if you like, and you can see that GIMP has been removed. It was in this position a moment ago. So it's been removed from the computer. You now come up here and shut this down, and I'll now come back to the start menu, and if you look at the top where GIMP 2.10 was, you can see it's been removed from there as well. So that's how you remove GIMP from your computer, and obviously it's referred to as being uninstalled. And of course it's quite easy to reinstall it. You can go back to the GIMP website and download it again, but in my case obviously I've downloaded it and I saved the file to an appropriate place. So if I then wish to reinstall it, I would run the setup executable file again. Of course that was shown in the previous video of this playlist on GIMP 2.10. Please consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell to ensure you get an update every time I upload a video. maybe you would like to consider supporting the development of these free videos via Patreon. In addition, why not follow me on Twitter and also check out the supporting website.